guys, because Daddy's not here. Daddy left really early. Who wants toast?
Ben.
And Indy and Alo?
You want toast?
Yeah. Yeah, healthy food. Yeah, this is your strawberries. Alright. Down now. Okay. Okay. Kanina pa siya nakatawa. Nag-iintay siya na i-on ko yung camera. Ready na yung mga bata, guys. Look, Isla's ready. First time niya suotin tong jumper na to. I'll show the guys, baby. Nice. Kasi pinapa-jacket ko lang siya eh. But today sabi ko mag-jumper ka. So wala si Dan kasi ang aga niya umalis, guys. Pumunta siya sa bahay to meet the painter. Kasi nga meron kaming pintor na hinire para i-paint yung bahay. And yeah, kinailangan niyang i-meet today. So ang aga niya umalis. Sabi niya, kailangan ako yung mag-drop off sa mga bata kasi nga meron siyang ganap. 10 minutes ago or 15 minutes ago, tumawag, sabi, I'm on my way home. Ako na magdadrop sa mga bata. Okay na ako. Yung mga bag, nandun na sa harap. Yung gagawin ko na lang sana after sila i-ready si Indy. Tapos, pwede na kaming umalis. But yeah, because Daddy's doing the drop-off now, we can chill because they are done. Tapos na yan si Ayla, si Arlo, tapos na din. So, all good.
This is the shell we found.
We have to wait at the front because Daddy said he will not get out of the car. You guys are going in. Come on.
I wanted to go in back. Where's my plan?
Alright, come on guys. To the front. Put your shoes on. Isip ko may nakalimutan ba ako? Wala. Mga bag nandito. Naka-ready na ako eh. Alright guys, come on. Shoes.
Shoes and small. But for that, I can see your shoes for you. Thank you. Oh, which one do you want?
Oh, you really want to bring that book, Alo?
Yeah. This book yesterday.
Last time you did. Last week you brought it. You want to bring it again? Gusto niya nagdadala ng book sa school. Pinapabasa niya sa teacher niya. You want that book?
This is my favorite book. All for you, the cool shoes. Thanks.
You want to wear those shoes?
Yes.
Isn't it tight, Alo? I think it's tight on you now.
It's tight now.
Yeah, not this one.
That's help me.
Yeah, no, but it's tight though.
That's not big and tight.
It's not comfy.
It's comfy.
No,
It's
this one.
hey, that's my book in this.
That's okay. Indy will not get it. She doesn't like that book. She wants her book.
It was my book.
Right, hey, Ayla, hurry up.
It's a shape so hot. That's the bad one. I'm good. Everybody.
Put it in your bag, come on. I'll get my phone.
It's a baby. Mommy! She's dancing.
Alright, come on, Daddy's almost outside. Come on.
Mom,
Why? It's okay. What's wrong with
it's
that?
hard to get off.
Oh.
Everyone looks at me. Everybody looks at
Alright,
me.
boys. Good job. Daddy's home. Alright, bring your bag.
I got my book.
He's bringing a book.
Okay.
It's in here. My book's in here, Daddy.
Okay. Good job. How is he? All good?
Yeah, look.
Love you. Kuis. Bye, Kuis. Love you, baby. Aww. Love you.
Me.
Quick, Arlo. Quick, I'm going. We're out, yeah.
They've got their bags. I'm just thinking their water. Yep.
I'll pick them up as well.
You'll pick them up. Okay. Kain tayo, guys. Yung mga bread. Hindi kumain si Dan nito. Yung gusto niyang bread na Pinoy, ensaymada, yung ganyan. Hindi siya mahilig sa iba. Ito, kainin natin to. Oh. Binigay ko kay Indy, ayaw. So, ako kakain yun. Kain tayo, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan ng bread na to, but meron siyang ube ba yan? Must be ube, di ba? Na filling sa loob. Masarap siya. And then, lagyan natin ng sandwich spread. Hindi. Kumakain ng strawberry ang aking Inday. Anong oras na ba? Mag-12 na, guys. Lunch na natin to. Lunch na to ni Mami. 1 week daw maglalast yung bread. Yeah, kailangan natin maubos before mag-Sabado. Let's eat. Kain. Hello! Hi! Okay na siya, oh. Happy na siya, oh. Happy na yung Indy ko na yan. Yummy. Hello? Indy! Pika? Pika? Sus, buyag Inday. Oy! Oh, Mommy's eating your leftover, oh. Hindi nga leftover. Hindi mo nga kinain. Parang kinagat lang na sobrang liit. Masaya ko. Kasi okay na siya. Hindi na siya matamlay. Hello guys, it's 12:35. Kakalapag ko lang kay Indy. So tulog na naman siya. Hindi mahaba yung tulog niyan. No, sana mahaba. We'll see. Gusto kong mag-edit. Kaya lang mayroon akong babayaran pala. Today pala yung nun. Last day. Nakapag-edit ako ng 5 minutes. Ang haba nitong kailangan kong i-edit. Anyway, mamaya na yan. So, nabook ko na yung mga accommodation namin for Philippines. Guys, sa Cebu. So, kailangan ko na lang bayaran yun. Asa na yun? So, magsistay kami sa 2 resorts sa Cebu. So, alam niyo naman, kapag nagbakasyon kami sa Pilipinas, nagre-resort talaga kami, guys. Hindi kami nagsistay sa bahay ng the whole time na nandun kami. Kasi wala masyadong ganap. And gusto namin may ganap. So, umaalis talaga kami ng bahay. This time around, sa December, siguro mga less than a week kami sa bahay. Tapos hindi pa yan straight. Bayaran ko lang to. Ang tagal ko nang natanggap tong invoice na to. Kaya lang, ang dami-daming nangyayari sa buhay. Ang dami-dami kong inasikaso. Tapos sinintay ko din kasi yung isa. Ang tagal nag-send nung isa. Gusto ko silang isabay. Bayaran 2. Oh my gosh, ang sakit ng likod ko, guys. Grabe. Yung weekend na to, grabe. Karga lang talaga ako kay Indy. Kasi nga, she wasn't feeling well. Today, she's way better. Like, wala na siyang lagnat. Pero she's still very clingy. Yeah, so karga pa din. But, it's okay. As long as mabuti na yung pakiramdam niya. Alam mo yun? Alright, that's paid. All done. Now and forever. Thank you for your payment. You're very welcome. Alright, so that's done. Now yung isa naman. So iba yung sitwasyon natin this time around. Kasi the previous Philippines trip namin, we always book sa resort sa Mactan area. This time, iba guys. Ibang side tayo ng Cebu. Na-mention ko sa isa sa mga previous vlog ko na naghahanap ako ng islands na malapit sa Cebu, pero pwede pa din dalhin yung sasakyan kasi mas convenient talaga kapag may sasakyan, lalo na may mga bata. Like yung Bohol, maganda. And I was so close to choosing Bohol again, but I'm like, I wanna do something different. Iba naman. So, hindi na kami tatawid or hindi na kami pupunta ng ibang island, pero pupunta kami sa ibang parts naman ng Cebu this time. Yung mga hindi pa napuntahan ni Dan at all. Yung iba din dito, hindi ko pa din napuntahan. So yeah, it's exciting. And then yung isa, bayaran din natin yung isa. Ida transfer. Iba naman to. Ano natin ito gagawin? Tingnan lang natin kung mayroong ibang way of paying. Kasi bank transfer, tas international bank kasi siya. So, kailangan ko pang... ano ba kailangan ko? Nakalimutan ko na eh. International bank transfer. Hintayin muna natin. In-email ko lang sila kung merong other options to pay. Anyway, one is done. So, we can add that to our calendar now. That's all good. Now and forever. Da-na-na. After nitong lahat ng to, yung birthday naman ni Indy. Pero yung birthday ni Indy, simpulan lang kasi yung birthday ni Indy. After ng birthday ni Indy, Easter next year naman yung ibobook natin. Meron na kaming iniisip na puntahan ni Dan. So we will not go international this Easter kasi yung Easter na break is hindi siya ganun kahaba. Tapos ano lang talaga siya, weekend lang talaga siya. So hindi kami pwedeng mawala ng matagal kasi nga work si Dan. So magki-Queensland tayo or Hamilton Island with Sundays, ganun siguro. Doon siguro tayo. But maya na yun. Tapusin muna natin yung birthday ni Indy. Meron pa pala akong ibobook. So yung ticket pala namin sa Singapore Airlines, yun na talaga. Iba na talaga siya. Iniba talaga nila yung time. Sa mga hindi nakapanood, iniba ng Singapore Airlines yung flight namin paun Pinas. Long story short, instead of leaving around 11 in the morning, naging 9 ng gabi yung alis namin. So, ang laki ng difference, ang haba ng difference. Imagine instead of leaving like 11 in the morning which would have been perfect kapag nagstay kami, kasi lagi kami nagsistay sa Singapore. Kapag nagstay kami, nag-check out kami ng let's say 9, 10, tapos 11 yung flight, alam mo yun, perfect na perfect. Ngayon, ginawa nilang gabi yung flight, so kailangan naming mag-extend. Kahit na hindi kami matutulog doon kasi nga alas 9 ng gabi yung flight, kailangan namin mag-extend ng stay because usually nga yung check-out mo is umaga. Anong gagawin namin sa apakahabang oras na yun? May mga anak kami, may mga maliliit na bata kami. So, we have to book one more night. Ang problema, yung nabook na namin na room, kasi we book our trips in advance, guys. Lalo na kapag Philippines trip, as long as naging available yung flights, binubook namin yan agad-agad. And then, the accommodation as well. Binubook din namin yan siya. So, matagal na namin nabook yung accommodation namin sa Singapore. We always stay inside the airport lang. So, nag-hotel lang kami inside the airport. Kasi nga, isang gabi lang naman. Para lang makapagpahinga yung mga bata. Kasi ang haba ng biyahe, diba? So, nabook na namin yun matagal na. Now, we found out nga na our flight was changed. And wala na kaming magagawa. Kasi, yun na talaga yung available na flight nila. Wala din kaming choice kundi tanggapin siya or else, like, i-cancel namin siya and maghanap kami ng ibang flight. The better option for us is to just accept it and book one more night nga sa Singapore. Ang problema, yung binook namin na hotel na wala nang available. Tapos kailangan din namin ng malaking kwarto kasi nga 3 bata. So hindi kami pwede dun sa maliit. Meron silang available maliit, 2 maliit. It doesn't make sense. Magdadalawang kwarto kami. Kailangan ko yun i-cancel tapos maghanap ng ibang accommodation. Meron na kaming nakita, kailangan ko na lang i-cancel yung previous accommodation namin. Okay lang kasi pa naman yun free cancellation hanggang early December ata. So matagal ko na siyang binook pero mayroon siyang free cancellation hanggang early December. Nung nalaman ko yung kasagsagan ng sobrang dami nating inaasikaso and ayoko muna siyang isipin. Though nagtitingin-tingin na nga kami ng ibang options and meron na kaming nakita. Pero before kami mag-book nung bago, kailangan muna namin i-cancel. Kailangan ko muna i-cancel yung isa. So, Yun pala. That reminds me. While nandito na tayo, i-cancel natin yun. Wait, inote ko muna itong aking nabayaran. Magkano? Alright, hanapin natin yun. Philippines 2025. Yeah, as family cabins are fully booked, we are unable to extend the stay. You may wish to consider booking 2 premium queen cabins for the extra night. Which doesn't make sense kasi yung mga bata, gusto ako lang yung kasama. So si Dan lang mag-isa sa isang kwarto. Tapos kami lahat ng mga bata sa maliit na ano, diba? Okay lang sana kung masa-separate, but no. Not that one. Tapos 2 hotel rooms, masyadong ano na, taas na ng, laki-laki na ng gastos natin. So, i-cancel natin to, be. Let's tell her, can I cancel you? Now and forever. Hi. Alright, that's easy. That's canceled. And because na-extend yung oras natin sa Singapore, baka lumabas kami ng hotel. Baka lumabas kami ng airport nito, guys. Well, yung nakita na may accommodation na okay, or nagustuhan namin, is sa labas siya ng airport. And mahaba-haba naman yung time natin. So, lalabas tayo ng airport nito. Now and forever. La, na, na. I'll just double check Cathay Pacific again. Kasi, mag-offer na daw sila ng trip direct Adelaide to Hong Kong. And then Hong Kong to Cebu. So, before the pandemic, meron kaming 2 choices na direct to a country na malapit sa Cebu. So yung choices namin were Cathay Pacific, kasi nga Adelaide to Hong Kong, tas Hong Kong to Cebu. Tapos Singapore Airlines, kasi Adelaide to Singapore to Cebu. So again, isang stop lang siya. Kaya lang during the pandemic, tinanggal ng Cathay Pacific yung flight nila from Adelaide to Hong Kong. So meron pa din silang flights, but dadaan ka na ng Melbourne or Sydney. Again, iniiwasan namin yung maraming stops. So, sa mga uwi namin sa Pinas after ng pandemic, lahat talaga Singapore Airlines kasi hindi pa bumabalik yung flight ng Cathay Pacific na direct na to Hong Kong. Pero sabi nila, ibabalik daw nila this year. I'm not sure if available na siya. Pero, too late na din, na-book na din namin yung flight namin. Pero, for next time ba, kasi maganda siyang stop Adelaide to Hong Kong, tapos mag-spend ka ng time sa Hong Kong, may Disneyland pa dun, diba? Tapos Hong Kong to Cebu. So, sa mga taga-Adelaide dyan na planong umuwi, mag-o-open daw sila end of this year ata. Or, kasi last time I checked, wala Kasi nung iniba ng Singapore Airlines yung flight namin, tiningnan ko yung Cathay Pacific kung available na ba. Kasi may option nga kami na ika-cancel yun kung ayaw namin yung time, diba? Kaya nga lang, walang ibang magandang option kasi walang mga direct flight nga. Pero maraming flights, guys. Ang gusto nga lang talaga namin is yung isang stop lang. Sa next uwi natin sa Pinas, pwede na tayong mag-Hong Kong. Tapos Hong Kong to Cebu. That would be good, diba? Singapore. Anyway, alright, maya ko na i-book yung sa Singapore na hotel kasi i-double, triple check pa natin yan kay Daddy. Alright, oh good. Mag-edit lang ako, guys, habang tulog ang aking inday. Dito ng mga anak ko, guys. Ayan, kumakain ng lunch niya kasi hindi na naman kinain lahat. Dito yung kuya natin. How was school, Kois? Good? That's good. What did he do?
No, the pink
Hele. Oy, ano yan? Pick it up, boys. Did you eat all your fruit? You ate all your apples. And ang ating daddy, the best daddy in the whole wide world, ay dumaan sa Asian shop at bumili ng mga prutas at gulay. Oh my gosh, ang laki pala nito. Wait. Ewan ko, para sa kanila. Ampalaya! Ala, ang laki. Oh my gosh, ang laki. No, 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 no. We have to ask Daddy. Can you wait until Daddy gets back?
Okay.
He's on the phone.
Okay.
Apakadami, guys. Uy, pwede tayong... Kaya lang kukulangin na ako. Adobong sitaw, pakbet. Kaya lang kulang na yung ingredients ko. Wala akong okra. Milk fruit. Or kay Mito. Dalawa.
I'm not studying. Because he gives me money.
Yeah. And tingnan nyo, apakalaki yung custard. Custard apple. Apakalaki pala nito. Pinadalawa ko pa. Kainin ko na tong isa tonight. Pinadalawa ko pa ng bili. Talong at ang aking paborito. Thank you, Daddy. Ay, maraming salamat po. Ala, ang dami nito. Hello, beautiful.
Mommy? Why, Mommy? I like share the oil. I like share chocolate sticks or oil. Yeah?
What are you guys gonna have for dinner tonight?
I have chocolate sticks.
Yeah, we're gonna ask Daddy. Okay, we're gonna wait until Daddy comes back and ask him.
She wants me to get her on. Get her on. He's not coming back. Right. Mommy? Now put in this. Now you're done. Put in the down here.
Do you guys want meatballs and rice or meatballs and chips?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy.
Hmm.
I want chocolate. Chocolate and I'll share iron. I'll share iron.
Share with Ayla? Okay, share with Ayla, ha?
I
Oh, wait.
will, Mommy.
Wait until Ayla's finished with her lunch.
Mommy.
Wait until Ayla's finished with her lunch.
I'm now I finish it.
Kainin natin to, guys. Ang mahal pala nito. Sabi ni Dan, dalawa, $20. So, $10 isa. Why? Yeah. Hindi kasi niya sinabi na ang laki talaga. Kung alam kong sobrang laki, isa lang sana. Pero still, like, one for $10. Gusto ko lang naman kumain ng atis. Hindi kasi siya nagre-reklamo kapag mga ganito. Yung mga prutas na ganito, hindi siya nagre-reklamo. Pero pagdating niya ng bahay, sabihin niya na, alam mo ba magkano yan? Tapos syempre, hindi ko alam. Yan. Kuha lang siya ng kuha. Tanong lang siya ng tanong. Ilan ito? Ilan ito? Gusto mo ba ito?